In this video, I'll show you how you can invert your front camera on your iPhone and change that setting. Make sure you watch this full guide so you know everything that you need to know for this, and let's get right into it. Here's a quick example of what happens when you go and change this setting. As you can see in this photo, the lampshade's in the top left, and then in this photo, it's in the top right. So firstly, what you need to do is close off the photos or camera app as well. You can't do it in either of them. And then what you need to do is actually go and open up your settings. So go and tap on it. What you'll need to do is scroll down the settings page until you go and see the option for camera. If you're struggling to find it, you can always go and use the search function at the top, but it's quite far down. And as you can see, here it is. So then go and tap on it. Then what you need to do is go down to composition and you need to go and look for the option called mirror front camera. So what you want to do is either go and enable this or disable it depending what change you want. So if yours is already on, then you can try turning it off. In this case, I'm going to try turning it on just like that. And then I can go and open up the camera app like so. And here is my front camera. Now, what's important to note as well is when you go and change that inverted camera setting, the camera preview like this mode here isn't going to look any different. It's only after you've gone and taken the photo is you're going to go and notice a difference. So when you go and take a photo now, for example, I'll then go and change the setting to turn off mirror front camera and I'll take another photo and then you'll go and see the difference now. As you can see, in the bottom right, you can see the light shade, and in this photo, the bottom left, you can see the light shade. So that's just a quick example of what this setting can do. If you guys found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.